you get now, Brad?
Well, it's supposed to be one of them plug machines to plug a hole in your get a hole in your pan. In the there. And what else fell out? You get your gun here. Put it here. Probably no good, I don't know. From our Chinese friends. Huh? Let's see, I think you stick it in.
You what? You stick it? Yeah, that seems to come in handy, huh?
Need to pull this out first. That. And stick this in there. Proceed a little oil.
Is that some kind of glue or lubricant?
Just oil. Anyway. Put this in like this. You don't pop a hole in it. It's kind of cold out.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, it's supposed to go in there like that. Leave it to go.
Oh, I see. You poke a hole right there. There.
No, that ain't right. You can't poke a hole in the middle of it.
Oh, you push the whole thing inside. See right here?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do, but it's cold.
Yeah, it's cold.
Cold, and now it's wet with oil.
Anyways, I get the idea. So when you do that, what do? You shoot it into the tire?
Yeah. Put your, get it clean out, you know. Clean out your hole. Instead of that oil, I'm going to use rubber cement. Clean out your hole.
Yes.
And you put this in here like this. And this goes on there.
Okay.
Like that. I'm going to get that on there. Inside there.
Mm-hmm.
And this goes on there to get it started. And then you just keep pushing until it pops out.
Perfect. Wow.